Why don't birds ever get lost? How do birds find home every time? Their secret is truly remarkable. Birds use magnetoreception. It's a built-in GPS. They sense Earth's magnetic field to guide them. And guess what? Pigeons can fly 1,000 miles back home, no map needed. Amazing, right? Some birds see magnetic fields as colors. That's nature's augmented reality. Arctic terns migrate 25,000 miles. It's Earth's longest trip. Birds are navigation pros. Even better than GPS. Subscribe now. More bite-sized brain boosters daily.